Welcome, friends, to our one bedroom, one bath, 790 square foot. And this floor plan is called the 11F2. And as we walk into the doorway here, we step inside of our kitchen and dining area. And I just have to take a step back here so that you can get the full view of this. This kitchen is an L shape. And as you see, wall-to-wall cabinets in the whole L shape of this kitchen. Let's talk about this right here. We've got under cabinet lights and it's independently controlled. So we have 3 of those in this apartment home, which makes it nice if you want to have that candlelight feel for dinner. You have that under cabinet light and you don't have to use your overhead light. And as you see, we have the black and stainless steel appliances. So huge microwave here over the glass top range. And let's go over here to our refrigerator. Inside we have the ice maker with the catch bucket, and look at all this space in the doorway here. Plenty of room for all your frozen goodies. And even here inside the refrigerator, plenty of shelving, huge trays down there at the bottom. And inside the refrigerator door, we have plenty of racks here. And let me tell you, these are huge. They hold gallon jugs and also 2 liters, okay? So coming around here, you have seating for probably 4 to 5 people on the other side of this island. You have your dishwasher here, double sinks, and these are really deep sinks, double sinks, pull out sprayer head to make it easy to wash the dishes, wash the baby, or wash the vegetables. We've got you covered, okay? And again, looking here, plenty of seating, so you don't have to do a dining room table if you choose not to. We have this space here is a flexible space where you could do a home office or dining. Alrighty, and then look at here, all of this space here for your living area. So if you have that super long couch or you have a sectional, feel free, it will fit. And look at this wall here. Who doesn't need a huge wall for a huge flat screen? You got that 70-inch, we've got you covered. All right, big, pretty picture window here. And this door leads out to the balcony. So let's have a look here. You're gonna get lots of natural air and enjoyment here on this huge balcony. So get your patio set ready. And this balcony is screened in, so you don't have to worry about bugs or mosquitoes biting you. You can actually sit out there, even sleep out there if you choose to. And again, here's the front entryway, looking into the kitchen. So let's have a look here into this bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. As you see, the flooring in here is a nice plush carpet, big picture window, lots of air and light coming in. We have a ceiling fan with light, so we know it gets warm here in Florida. So just having that nice second source of cooling air definitely helps keep the utility bill low. And then coming in here is the bathroom. Now this bathroom is really big for it to be a 1 bedroom, 1 bath apartment. And look at this, lots of cabinet space. You have a linen cabinet here standing tall, ready to accommodate all of your towels and linens. And look at this mirror, huge, right? Huge mirror. You're going to get lots of selfies in here, and you're sure to be ready for any event getting ready in this bathroom. And granite countertops, 20-inch tile floors, and we have this nice deep soaker tub. And as you see, the shower curtain rod is the arch one, and that becomes standard. That is standard for us. And we have built-in shelves here inside of the shower area. And coming around here, look at this closet. Right? Huge. This is almost like a second bedroom in here. Look at all the racks, and we still leave space for you to be creative. So if you like to do organizers and all those types of projects, you can certainly do that in here. And this is a carpeted floor. And right next to your closet, you have your laundry area. And look at this. This is a full-size stackable washer and dryer. This is the big one. So you can put comforters in here. You can also wash all those towels and linens without any trouble. And it's located right here. It's tucked away inside your bathroom. No one will ever know you're doing laundry. And here's my favorite part. We have this door that's coming out of the bathroom. Look at this, into the kitchen, living, and dining area. So what does that mean for you? Your guests will not have to cut through your bedroom door, which is right there. They're going to go to the bathroom right through here. So no cutting through your bedroom to keep that privacy factor there for you. And then here's your utility closet. And so again, this is our 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 790 square foot apartment. This floor plan again is called the 11F2. And before I go, I just want to show you have a storage coat closet here. I mean, this apartment doesn't run out of storage or space. Bring your things, bring everything you need. It's going to fit here, and you have a beautiful apartment to show off. Please visit us on rentlakevue.com. That is our website to check for the availability for this floor plan and for more information to find out how you can make this floor plan your new apartment home. I look forward to seeing you soon.